When it comes to workflow automation, two platforms that often come up in discussions are Monday.com and Rindle. But which one is really the best for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned, because I'll also share an even better alternative at the end. First, let's dive into Monday.com. Known for its versatility, Monday.com is a popular choice for teams looking for a comprehensive project management tool. It's especially great if you need a visual interface, with its color-coded boards and customizable workflows. Workflow automation is a strong suit for Monday.com. It offers a wide range of automation recipes to help you save time, such as automatic task assignment and status updates. But while the automation features are solid, they can be overwhelming and sometimes too rigid for teams with more complex workflows. Plus, to get access to its full automation capabilities, you'll need one of the higher tier plans, which can be a bit pricey for smaller teams. Next, let's look at Rindle. This software is marketed as a more straightforward option for workflow automation, and for good reason. Rindle's focus is on streamlining processes with minimal setup. It provides easy-to-use, customizable workflows that help automate repetitive tasks without the steep learning curve. One major advantage of Rindle over Monday.com is that it's specifically designed for workflow automation, so it's a bit more intuitive when it comes to creating automation rules. However, Rindle's interface can feel a bit too simplistic at times, lacking the level of customizability Monday.com offers in terms of visual design and project tracking. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com is a major player here, boasting a vast library of integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. This makes it a go-to for teams already using a suite of apps they need to connect. Rindle, on the other hand, is more limited in its integrations, but still covers the essentials like Slack, Zapier, and Google Sheets. If your workflow relies on a lot of different tools, Monday.com could have the edge when it comes to integrating seamlessly with your stack. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Monday.com can quickly get expensive, especially if you want to unlock advanced workflow automation features, which might not be ideal for smaller teams or businesses with a tight budget. Rindle's pricing structure is more straightforward and affordable, especially for those primarily interested in automation without all the additional project management features Monday.com offers. Finally, let's talk about ease of use. While both platforms are relatively easy to get started with, Monday.com's interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially with all the customization options and features it offers. Rindle, on the other hand, prides itself on being user-friendly and easy to set up without much of a learning curve. Now, I've used both Monday.com and Rindle, and while they're both great tools in their own right, if your goal is streamlined, efficient workflow automation without the extra complexity, I'd suggest considering a different option altogether. If you're looking for a better alternative that balances simplicity, affordability, and powerful automation capabilities, take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. With our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and some special benefits that you won't find anywhere else. In the end, Monday.com and Rindle are both solid choices, but after trying them myself, I believe there's a better option out there for automating your workflows. So, check out the link in the description and see for yourself.